Yo, what's good? What's good, everybody? It's your boy Nate Lindsay, aka Humble Nate. Just checking in with y'all. Just want to go ahead and drop some setup that I was looking here on my S&P, my Bay, my number one, my everything. But yeah, I hope everybody's doing good. I hope you guys, been having a good week so far. We're midweek right now. It's Wednesday. And we caught a nice setup this morning, but I just went ahead and go over it with you guys. So I sent it to the team last night that we were looking at a break of this trend line right here. So I wanted to see this trend line broken, and also get below this line that I had here, this level. But it kept going, it kept going. So I just moved my trend line up a little bit, and it ended up breaking. As you can see, it ended up breaking. Came back for a retest, and this would have been your entry. And you would have just, pretty much had to wait until it played out, and it would have hit our take profit. I go down to a little bit of a smaller time frame so you can kind of see how it plays out. Here we go. Here we go. Right. Okay. So here we go. So you got your initial break, right? That's the break, right? Now, a lot of people would have tried to enter now, which would have been a horrible time because it came down a little bit, but then it totally reversed. This is your entry right here. This is the entry that you want. Boom. This is the entry that you want right here. Because after that, what did it do? Let's go ahead and measure it out a little bit. Went for 263 pips. So a nice move, almost absolutely no drawdown. Let's go ahead and pull out our short tool because we're shorting the market. This would have been your entry. Put your stop loss above the high. So risking about 140 to catch 227. So I definitely like higher risk reward ratios for it to at least be a 2.0. But this would have been good. It would have been good. But yeah, I sent it to the team here. Sent it to the team. Initially I sent it here, but it kept going up. It never broke the trend line. It kept going up. So I just moved my trend line, which I can show you here. Boom. So I moved my trend line. This was our break, and then bow. That was our entry. So here we go. Now, just for some future setups, as you can see, I have let's go back to our 1 hour. As you can see, I have a alert set up. That's what this dotted line right here is an alert that we have set up. I want to trade in between these two levels right here. Now I'm looking for some sells, but right now wouldn't really be a good time to sell because we want to wait for our retest. We want to wait for it to come back up, test this again, and then go for a major drop. And the reason why I put my alert right here is because I wanted to see how it reacts to this level right here. When it came down to this level right here, it shot up for 500 pips, right? So I don't necessarily want to be looking for any sells right now. I kind of want to see how it's going to react to this level. So what I want to see is something like this. It come back up, give us a bigger retest to finally come down to my next key level, which will be for another 400 pips. All right, so it's your boy checking out. I just wanted to check in with y'all really quick, drop a couple of gems, in regards to this pair that I've been looking at, go over a setup that I had this morning. If you guys are interested, I have opportunity calls every single day. So you definitely have the opportunity to learn what I'm doing, get on my team, get into my chats, and, be able to catch these setups. We're not just here to send signals. I actually teach people these setups and these trades that I do myself. So definitely jump on if you guys are interested. Once again, if you guys don't follow me as well, definitely follow me on Instagram at humblenate_. You can add me as a friend on Facebook, Nate Lindsay. Other than that, like and subscribe to the YouTube and stay tuned for more content. Love y'all. Peace.